I hope you are doing well. And this video is all about this quarantine. So, as you all know, that after coming to Ireland, you need to go for self quarantine for 14 days, and then you can start your like anything, your process or your accommodation search, all the things you can do, but after quarantine. So for 14 days, you need to be there for quarantine. You can book either any hostel, Airbnb, or any private accommodation for that period. And even some universities announced that they will have their hostels where you can stay for quarantine. So, and that is free of charge. So if that is the thing, if you are coming in UCD, because right now I can see that the UCD only announced that thing. So if you are coming for UCD, then it's fine. You can just go over there. Otherwise, you need to book either Airbnb, hostel, or any private accommodation or any student accommodation. Also, they are also providing this thing, so that you can do. But main thing that will focus is what kind of things that you can get from India for your quarantine. So first thing is that bring a set of cutlery with you, like the mug, a plate, a spoon, the basic item, which you can use to eat your meal and that kind of stuff. So basic set of cutlery will work. That is the first thing that you need to bring. Now, second thing is that tea or coffee. So if you have habit to drink a tea or coffee in the morning, then please bring that particular thing with you, because yeah, mostly the Indian teas you will get here in Asian stores or in Indian supermarkets only. So that is not that much available in any of the cities in Ireland. So yeah, bring some quantity with you whenever you are coming. Third thing is that get some protein bars with you, because that is the best thing that you can eat whenever you are hungry. So let's consider that you did your lunch then at 6 o'clock or at the 7 o'clock. If you are hungry, but your dinner time is 9 o'clock, so at that time you can just eat the protein bar and that will work. So that you can also bring with you. More upon that, for meal, main thing you can bring is the Maggie, because Maggie will work if you take the 14 days quarantine, and within that 14 days you can eat Maggie for at least 5 or 6 days. Even I can do that thing. You can also do that thing, because that is quarantine. I mean, you need to adjust yourself only. So I'm not telling you to eat Maggie every day, but at least 3 4 days at least you can just go with that. So bring that. Other than that, this I got from Ireland, but this is the microwave rice. So you need to like open this, put in microwave. After 2 minutes, the rice will be ready. And this is the vegetable one. There is some other microwave rice also available, like Mexican or anything, and it is available in India. Did my research, so it is available in India. So you can bring this thing with you. Other than that, this MTR, ready to eat meal, that also you can bring with you. This is like cheaper, and this you can use one for lunch and one for dinner. So it is like 300 gram per package. So you can get around 7 or 8. So your at least 4 or 5 days will go with this. You can bring rice also with you, and Maggie. So I guess that will work for a few days. And yeah, try to contact someone who are already in Ireland, and if anything is necessary, like any food item or any other stuff, then you can contact them and they will provide you. They will give you that particular item. They will bring from supermarket and they just give you at your place. So that you can do. And then please bring the mask and this hand sanitizer, because that is also a good thing. Other than that, the pillows, the duvet or anything that you will get whenever you are booking your accommodation. So if you are coming, just get this duvet kind of a thing, small duvet, not big, small duvet, which will not give you weight plus the space on your luggage. So try to bring that particular thing also with you. So in some case where in like in hostels they will provide you the duvet and all, but in some place if they are not providing, then you can use that particular thing also. So yeah, other than it, for self quarantine you need some things like laptop and anything for yourself to entertain yourself. So bring, obviously you are coming, you are a student, you are coming for study, so you have your laptop, so you don't need to worry about that thing. Now you might be thinking that why I'm telling you this particular thing and all the information that I'm providing you, whether that is correct or not or anything. So I want to tell you one thing, that there are few people that they did a quarantine for 14 days, and you using their experience, I asked them, they give their experience, what kind of things they did on 14 days, what kind of things that you need in that particular 14 days and all. So I summarize all the things, and then I'm giving you this stop, bring medical books like a basic paracetamol and all, crocin and all, because if you have a headache or anything like that, then you can just take that thing, and yeah, that's the thing that you can bring for medicine purpose. Now next thing is that you can also bring peanut butter, a pack of peanut butter or jam or anything, because that also you can eat if you have bread or something. Whenever you are like coming to Ireland, you can just bring bread with you, like from airport or anywhere, and then you can just go on quarantine, and then you can use that thing also for your breakfast or whenever you're hungry. Now one more thing that you can bring with you is also like snacks, like biscuits, peanuts, and that kind of thing, because that will work whenever you're hungry or whenever you need some something to eat. And yeah, that will also work. So bring something like that, and not that much, but yeah, bring some items so that it can help you whenever you are hungry and you need to eat, and you are not in a position where you can cook something. Now next thing is that your toiletries, like hand wash, shampoo and soap, these three things you can bring with you whenever you are coming, because that you can use wherever you are staying, like in a hostel or in private accommodation or in student accommodation. So yeah, that kind of a main thing that I wanted to tell you, that you can bring with you for quarantine. And other than that, you have your clothes, because you already came from India. You have your luggage, so all the items are there in your luggage, so you don't need to worry about that. Plus if you want to cook something, then whenever you are booking any hostel, any student accommodation or any private accommodation, they will provide you a kitchen over there. So for Maggie, for microwave kind of stuff or anything, you don't need to worry, you can just go over there in that kitchen and you can cook. So yeah, that's it for this thing, and I hope this kind of information will help you. And other than that, if you have any other items that you can you are aware or you think that you need to bring, then you can bring that. And if you, and for that also, I suggest you to comment down below so that other person will get a help with that. But this is the summary that I created after like talking to few people, and like I got experience from them, and then I created this video. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope this particular information will help you. Be prepared for this and contact someone in Ireland or in your city wherever you are coming, and they will also help you, obviously. We'll catch you in next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.